Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahim Nadeem and today I will be showing you my very personal desktop assistant named Jarvis, which was programmed by me to help me for certain tasks to do on my laptop with my vocal voice commands. So I will show you how my project exactly works.
Good evening. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open Google. So as you can see, just open this website for me. Now I can ask it to open YouTube. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So it just opened this for me too. Now I'll ask it to send an email. So email for me.
What should I say?
Hello.
Email has been sent.
So now the email has been sent on my account saying hello. As you can see that it just said hello from my account to my account using Jarvis. Now I can ask it to play some songs for me too, like open my playlist.
Yes, sir.
Open my playlist. Open my playlist.
Opening your playlist, sir.
So as you can see, just open that for me too on YouTube. So now I can ask it to do other tasks for me too, like telling me the temperature. So tell me the temperature.
Current temperature in Greater Noida is 12 degrees C.
So as you can see, just told me the temperature in Greater Noida where I live. It's 12 degrees Celsius. I can ask it to tell me the battery. What is the battery? What is the battery?
Sir, we have 99% battery left. We have enough power to continue our work.
So it just told us that we have 99% battery and we have enough battery to continue our work without charging. And now I can ask it to do multiple calculations for me too, like turn calculator mode on. Turn on calculator mode.
Calculator mode is activated. Please tell me what do you want to know?
70 multiplied by 94.
Your results is 6,580.
So I just did a complex mathematical operation without doing anything but just speaking the problem, and it did it in seconds and I got the result as well. So this is my project Jarvis. I hope you all liked it, and I can just send it to sleep by saying go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Bye, sir.
So as you can see, it just stopped the program itself. Thank you everyone. Bye.